Hello, beauties. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Joyful Bibele. I'm a makeup artist based in Lagos, Nigeria. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. And if you're new here, thank you so much. And please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Let's get started. Okay, so today's video is a Gele tutorial. Yes, you heard that right, a Gele tutorial video. I did not record the beginning part of this. I don't know why. What I did, divided Gele into two equal parts, 50-50 from behind, and now I'm pleating the right side of the gele. When pleating, you need to take your time to pleat. Don't rush, don't be taking big pleats, just little pleats goes a long way. Then for some reason as well, I did not record crossing this part. I crossed the gele from the left side to the right side. You know where you I crossed like crisscross. Okay, then I used the pin to secure it below and started pleating again. So what I'm doing now, I'm pleating this right side, taking my time one after the other. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video as well. Also, if you have got to this part and you haven't subscribed, help my ministry now. Thank you. Oh yeah, hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much. God bless you. So I'm just splitting it carefully, 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 carefully. You can see all the way to the bottom. So to be pleated from the beginning till the very end. I'm taking my time. Oh. I ran away from Gele in all honesty, but I have clients that will still want me to tie Gele for them. So I still have some small Gele skills in me. Maybe I should even brush it up so I can just be a Gele artist too. So now I've gotten to the end. Now I'm trying to do like a fan. You can see I'm arranging it. When doing Gele, you need to take your time. You can see the way I was losing it, then go back. There was a pin there. I think I tied the Gele before. I didn't remove the pin. So also when you want to tie Gele, especially if it's not new, and the client gives it to you, make sure you check if there are pins there. So you'll not just be tying the gilly, and before you know it, you just enjoy yourself. Pin will just prick your finger. You don't want blood on your customer's gilly, right? So you can see I'm just pleating, 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 pleating. Then I went round. You can see the way the back is very neat. Then I told her to hold it. I'm twisting it so I can securely pin it. I'm twisting it, and while twisting, I'm also making sure it's firm. Because you know we are not tying. We don't even tie gele anymore. I don't know if people, there are still people that tie gele. Me, I don't tie gele. I use pin. It's better. You- Now I've used the pin to secure it. This gele ain't moving nowhere. So the same thing I did on this side, that's what I'm doing on the left side. That's why I'm fast forwarding it because you already saw what I did. It's just the same process. Nothing serious. Just by the way, I did this makeup on her. So if you haven't watched this video, it's on my YouTube channel. I think it's like two videos before this. Although I have shorts, but ignore the shorts. For video is two videos before, because before this video I have the eyebrow tutorial. Then before the eyebrow tutorial is this makeup look. So please help me watch the channel, the video to increase my views. And if you haven't subscribed to, please, I'm still begging. Yes, so there's no shame. Please subscribe to my channel. So you can see now I'm going back to tie it, to sorry, not to tie it, rather to pin it down securely. And yes, we have the finished look. Woohoo! I love this gele. So you can try the gele, and of course, if when you try it, you can tag me to let me know that, oh, you learned this gele from me, this gele style, and this makeup as well. Please do well to watch. Don't forget, help the ministry. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.